So you must have heard the word uniform. So why in school there is a uniform? Because some students are rich and some students are poor. So to maintain the uniformity, there should be no discrimination between two students. There is a uniform. That when you are enter the school, then you are the student, not you are rich or poor, good or bad. Whatever you are just a student, and for a teacher you are just a student. That is why you need uniform. So uniform means, in physics uniform means constant. So here in uniform motion we are discussing about constant motion. So the term arises here, what is constant? In uniform motion what is constant? So the term which is constant is speed. And here in non-uniform it is not constant. And what is not constant? The not constant thing is speed. So you can generate a definition from here that if particle is moving with constant speed, if particle is moving with constant speed, it is in uniform motion. And if particle is not moving with constant speed, it is in non-uniform motion. So basically simple definition that you can make from here. If object is moving with constant speed, it is in uniform motion. And if object move with variable speed, it is non-uniform. So if the object is moving with constant speed, it is uniform motion, and if the object is not moving with constant speed, it is non-uniform motion. What are the examples? The first and one of the best example is motion of Earth. Why we can say that motion of Earth is uniform motion? Because every year the Earth takes around 365 days to complete. It never happened that Earth has taken more than 365 days, for example 370 days, or less than 365 days, for example 350 days. Every year Earth takes around 365 days to complete its one revolution around the Sun. This means the motion of Earth takes equal time every time. So that's why motion of Earth is a constant motion. Another example, for non-constant speed or non-uniform motion, you can say this example is motion of bike. You cannot drive a bike with constant speed. You have to increase or decrease the speed of the bike. Sometimes it will be more, sometimes it will be less. Sometimes it will be at rest, sometimes it will be motion. So motion of bike is the best example of non-uniform motion, and motion of Earth is the best example of uniform motion. Thank you.